If you want to stop receiving post-push notifications on x.com, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few taps. This is perfect if you want fewer distractions, less notification noise, or you simply only want to see the alerts that matter most to you. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left-hand side navigation bar, click on More. This is where X keeps a lot of the extra account and app settings. Once you click More, a menu will appear with additional options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings and Privacy, look for the Notifications section and click it. This area controls how X sends you alerts for different activity on your account. After that, tap Preferences. Preferences lets you customize the type of notifications you want to receive, including push notifications, email notifications, and more. Now click on Push Notifications. This is the menu that controls alerts that appear directly on your device. Once you open it, you'll see different notification categories. Find posts in the list and simply toggle it off. That's the main setting you need to disable if you do not want push notifications for posts anymore. After turning it off, X will stop sending you push alerts for posts, so your phone or browser should be much quieter from that point forward. If you ever want them back later, you can come right back into the same menu and turn the toggle on again. And that's it. You've successfully stopped post-push notifications on x.com or Twitter. If this guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.